we're going to talk about the XRP price potential breakout to $2. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to find out how and when XRP might hit $2. Welcome to Money Side. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more. Ripple's cryptocurrency started the year 2020 hovering around the 20-cent level, and then soared up to 34 cents in mid-February, with many of the project's supporters prophesizing a bright XRP outlook for the following months. However, the unforeseen broader market crash happened in March 2020, driven by the COVID-19 outbreak and the rising global economic uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies were not immune to the event, with many shedding in value significantly. On March 13th, XRP fell as low as 11 cents per coin, losing its status as the third largest cryptocurrency to Tether. The digital currency then recovered its losses to trade in the 19 to 20 cent range throughout the next 4 months. At the end of July, it gained upward momentum, allowing it to pass the 30-cent mark in August. During September and October, the XRP coin price retraced to trade between 23 and 25 cents. It came as a surprise to many as things took a turn for the better in November. On the first day of the month, XRP was trading at 23 cents, but by November 24th, its value had surged 220%, reaching highs of 76 cents, according to CoinMarketCap. It is worth noting the price divergence on different exchanges. The coin's intraday high was 78 cents on Binance and 73 cents on Bitstamp, while on Coinbase, the currency went all the way up to 90 cents, right before plunging 30%. The rally on the latter exchange was then reported to have been driven by the platform's users. With an approximate price of 0.05 of a cent, the coin started on the market in 2012. During the year 2013, Ripple traded at the resistance levels of 58.82 of a cent. Then in 2014 and in the subsequent years, the price of Ripple began to trade at a higher rate. Until 2017, when the entire cryptocurrency was in rapid growth, its valuation stayed somewhat flat. In May 2017, the first price peak occurred. Back then, the XRP rose to 36 cents per coin. This was followed by the launch of the Ripple office in Mumbai. For the next 6 months, rates stabilized at the 20-cent mark. In January 2018, a second high happened. The XRP reached its all-time high of $3.84 on January 4th, after which, however, the price began to decline steadily, and by September, the cost had dropped to 29 cents. The short-lived upside momentum then raised the worth of the coin to 56 cents. The XRP closed at 35 cents in 2018. The coin didn't have any breakthroughs in 2019, remaining steady in the 2 cent to 5 cent range. The price of the currency rose to 33 cents in 8 weeks after bottoming at 17 cents in December, marking a rise of nearly 100%. Ripple commenced the year 2021 with the price trading at 23 cents, which was a really bad start as XRP was having issues with the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. Although experts predicted that XRP would trade at an average price of 83 cents by the end of January 2021, it actually traded at 49 cents. The Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has filed a lawsuit against Ripple for carrying out sales of unregistered securities. The lawsuit also involves two of the company's executives, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen. The SEC alleges that during these sales, the company had raked in $1.3 billion by selling XRP, which it refers to as an unregistered security. According to the head of the SEC's Enforcement Division, the action of Ripple and its executives has deprived many investors and purchasers of the securities the right to know Ripple's system and business plan, which violates the tenets of the public market system. Responding, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the company will fight the case to its logical conclusion. He also said that the action of the SEC further confirms his earlier allegation that the commission does not provide a conducive environment for cryptocurrency. Garlinghouse also accuses the SEC of not providing a level playing field for crypto startups, and particularly fighting against Ripple. Moreover, the company had earlier this year announced it was relocating its headquarters to London, where the regulators are more receptive. This has put the price of XRP in a freefall, as many investment firms, exchanges, and partners have begun to distance themselves from Ripple and its native cryptocurrency. To the average onlooker, it may not be entirely clear why this is happening, nor why the lawsuit may have implications on the entire cryptocurrency space. Let's give you the details. Hit that subscribe button for more. Why is the Ripple lawsuit important? The Ripple lawsuit is important because if the SEC wins their case, XRP will be traded as a security and not a currency in the United States. This will broaden the definition of the Howey test, setting a legal precedent that could result in other similar cryptocurrencies also being classified as securities. A security in business economics is written evidence of ownership conferring the right to receive property not currently in possession of the holder. The most common types of securities are stocks and bonds, of which there are many particular kinds designed to meet specialized needs. Securities are subject to much stricter regulations than currencies or commodities. Think gold, oil, food, etc. In the United States, securities regulations are set and upheld by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Many cryptocurrencies are in fact securities, namely those that were sold to investors utilizing an initial coin offering, ICO. This is because most cryptocurrency projects with ICOs do not actually have a functioning product at the outset. As such, the tokens they sell become sort of a promise to the people who purchase them, a promise that the company will create whatever technology they claim to be building, thus giving value to the tokens they issued. While the tokens are not a share in a stock per se, they have similar properties and are therefore considered securities under U.S. law. That's why many ICOs tend to be off limits to investors in the United States, Canada, and a few other countries that have strict security laws or are illegal to sell things to, like North Korea. For most, it's simply not worth jumping through the hoops required to sell the tokens to U.S. investors, much less convince U.S.-based cryptocurrency exchanges to list them for trading. One of the core claims of the SEC suit against Ripple is that XRP is a security, specifically unregistered security, that has been illegally sold by Ripple since it was first distributed to investors almost 8 years ago. Will Ripple win the SEC lawsuit? This fundamentally depends on how interrelated the two core accusations of the Ripple case are. Again, these are that XRP is an unregistered security, and that Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, and Chris Larsen used XRP to enrich themselves. Given the incredible amount of evidence to the fact, it's quite clear that Ripple, Brad, and Chris engaged in bad business practices that warrant some degree of legal repercussion. The question is whether this retribution depends on whether or not XRP is a security. As noted by Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, XRP is not a security, even though it comes dangerously close to that classification. This is because the XRP ledger would continue to exist and operate even if Ripple were shut down, and both Brad and Chris were put in prison. Ripple's summary of their Wells submission also states that the DOJ and FinCEN consider XRP to be a virtual currency as per their 2015 suit against Ripple. Ripple also claims to have empirical data showing that the efforts and selling behavior of Ripple, Brad, and Chris were not nearly sufficient to impact the price of XRP. Ripple's strongest counter-argument is that XRP is no different to Ripple than oil is to Exxon or Bitcoin is to Bitmain. All three companies are reliant on those commodities, but nobody would say that holding oil represents a share in the oil company. However, if Ripple successfully argues that XRP is not a security, it does not necessarily absolve it or its head honchos from any wrongdoing. As Charles Hoskinson also noted, other regulatory bodies could step in and seek to press charges for their actions. This seems likely given the high-profile nature of the case and the inexcusable actions of its defendants. In case you were wondering what would happen to Ripple, there is one thing that investors do not like, and that is uncertainty. This lawsuit against Ripple will likely drag on for a year or more. Until the SEC suit against Ripple is resolved, XRP will be one of the most uncertain investments in cryptocurrency. For the time being, the backlash has been arguably tame given the facts noted in the suit. This is because XRP is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies, and rushing to delist it as an exchange is a bad call at this point. However, this could change as time marches on. There is almost no question that the SEC will cover even more bad practices by Ripple before the suit concludes. Whether institutions affiliated with Ripple can brave that storm is questionable. It's recently announced that Coinbase was going to be suspending trading for XRP on account of the SEC action against the company. As you can see with the price reaction of XRP, the market has reacted negatively to the news. The only thing keeping XRP alive seems to be the dedication of the Ripple fanbase, which has seen this as a perfect opportunity to buy XRP at a discount. Whether they will still be fans of Ripple once all is said and done is likewise questionable. In summary, XRP will not go to zero anytime soon, though it is in an incredibly vulnerable position because of the SEC's suit against Ripple. By the time the suit concludes, there may not be enough interest left in the project to keep it relevant. For XRP to survive, it needs to stay in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The higher the better. If XRP falls out of the top 100, it may also never get seriously picked up by retail investors during this bull run and could fade into irrelevance as a consequence. While the majority of XRP projections look rather promising, it is important to remember that the crypto market is very dynamic. Its volatility makes it difficult to not only give long-term estimates, but also to predict what the price of a digital coin could be in a few hours. When deciding to invest in any financial asset, including Ripple's crypto, we recommend you do as much research as possible, taking into consideration the latest market trends, expert opinion, and technical analysis. Please keep in mind, we are not licensed financial advisors. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. What do you think? Is Ripple a good investment? Should you buy the coin or steer clear of XRP in 2021? Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button below. Turn on notifications to get informed whenever we post our amazing content. We'll see you in the next video.